If brushing your teeth or putting socks and shoes on is enough to make your low back scream, oh gosh, simple stuff, then you are definitely missing my daily back pain routine that is going to change your life. It is going to take you from feeling twice your age to feeling half your age with just a little bit of effort. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to take you step by step through my life-changing daily back pain routine. Let's begin. If you're like so many out there who feel extra stiff in the morning, maybe it takes a few steps to feel like you can stand up straight, and simple tasks like brushing your teeth or getting dressed are harder than it should be, then the worst thing you can do is go straight to work and sit like a shrimp all day at your desk, pretending like the pain isn't about to get a whole lot worse. What you need to do instead is this simple 15-minute routine before you go to work, and everything will change in your life. So first, throw on your shoes, or go barefoot, even better, and go outside for a 10-minute walk. A simple 10-minute walk to start your day is one of the most underrated things you can do for overall health and low back pain. It not only gets blood flow and movement throughout your whole body and acts as WD-40 for your spine and hips, but getting morning and evening sun can increase serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter known as the happy hormone, which makes you feel better and will reduce pain sensitivity. But this also improves stem cell production, wound healing, and helps regulate your circadian rhythm cycle, which is your sleep cycle. And if you're getting better sleep, then your nervous system calms down, which reduces pain sensitivity, so you feel less pain. And the better you sleep, the better your rate of healing. The worst thing you can do is get no movement, no sunshine, because your pain gets worse. And then your sleep gets worse, then your pain gets even worse because now your sleep is bad, and you find yourself in this vicious cycle. Now, after this easy 10-minute walk, go back to your house because now you're ready for this simple 3-step mobility routine that will address these key areas related to your low back pain: your mid-back, your low back, and your hips. To unlock the mid-back, lay on your side, bring the top leg up at a 90-degree angle, and now while keeping that top knee on the ground, you're going to rotate your arm as far away as you can as to rotate through the mid-back. This is called our open book exercise. And with every rep you do, try to reach a little bit further. Mobility through the mid-back is extremely important because if your mid-back is locked, your low back gets extra pressure. So by unlocking the mid-back first, it allows for more freedom and more movement through the lower back. And then roll over to your stomach to now work on the low back. To improve lumbar extension, which is what most of you lack the most, you're gonna put your hands under your shoulders and push your chest up off the ground as far as you can comfortably. Keep your lower back and glutes totally relaxed as you perform this, or you will fight against yourself. And if there is any pain, once again, just go to the point where you kiss the pain. If as you do this, your range of motion gets better and better and better, and pain gets less and less and less, then continue to progress it for at least 1 minute. Now, this motion is so important because the vast majority of the population does not get enough extension. We get a ton of flexion. We sit at work, we sit while we eat, we sit in the car, we sit while we watch TV. We get flexion all day. And that's why most people have flexion intolerant lower back pain, which is where you feel worse the longer you sit. When you bend forward, putting on socks and shoes, these types of things, this is telling us we need more of the opposite. And by restoring the opposite motion, you can reverse all that flexion-based stress that you get throughout your life. So you need extension in your life, and this is an easy movement to do it. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Then last, let's unlock the hips because the hips and the low back, they're best friends. When one is upset, the other one is too. And if our hips are stiff, then the low back is gonna be overworked. So get up on all fours, spread the knees as wide as you possibly can. If you can, point your toes outwards as well. And now sit deep into this frog position as far as you possibly can. Then come out of it and sit back and forth, attempting to get deeper and deeper each time. This is mobilizing your hips, opening up your adductors, improving squat position. This is a great pre-squat warm-up to improve your form and positioning. And it's going to help take pressure off of your hips, off of your low back, off of the sciatic nerve, the tissue that goes through. This is phenomenal for releasing those hips and feeling way more mobile and free after. And of course, perform this for 1 minute. So there's 1 minute on each of these. That's 3 minutes plus a 10-minute walk. That's less than 15 minutes, but we'll call it 15. And this routine can reduce your pain fast and make a huge impact on your life if you commit to it. However, you can't expect this one routine to do all the work for you because it's not customized to you and you're missing one major thing. This one thing will help you actually identify the root issue in the exact movements you should be doing and has helped many of our clients achieve as much as 37% reduction in their symptoms with a single session, and others complete symptom relief within as little as 15 days. And this one thing is our centralization process, which we have used to help over 2,000 people completely eliminate their pain within 3 to 6 months. And that's back to full exercise with a long-term plan, so you never need to rely on anybody again. And it's really not that hard when you get the right plan. So if you want to dive deeper with me and actually get a structured plan to healing, all you need to do is text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following my centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally fix this pain and live the life that you deserve. And after you do that, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and what I'm doing to stay pain-free and to help so many others. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.